Tesla's integrated dashcam system records video from multiple cameras, including front, rear, and sides, while driving or in Sentry mode. To quickly save footage, use the dashcam icon on the touchscreen or the Tesla app. Saving clips preserves them from being overwritten by the loop recording system, which is crucial for documenting accidents, vandalism, or other incidents. The fastest way to save footage is through your Tesla's touchscreen. Locate the dashcam icon on the main screen. Tap the dashcam icon. Then select Save Clip. Choose the duration you want to save, such as 1 to 10 minutes before or after the event. The clip saves to your USB drive or internal storage. This method is ideal for immediate preservation of events. Alternatively, use the Tesla app to save dashcam footage. Open the app and navigate to the dashcam section, then select Clips to view available footage. From the Clips section, you can download footage directly to your phone. Look for the download option to save clips locally. To expedite the process, enable notifications in the app settings. This allows for automatic saves during impacts, capturing important moments quickly. The app offers flexibility for managing your dashcam footage, but may experience lag in certain situations, like poor network connections. Tesla's dashcam uses a loop recording system, continuously storing footage on the internal SSD drive. Older clips are automatically overwritten unless you manually save them, ensuring the system doesn't run out of space. The storage capacity is approximately 100 gigabytes, which can hold about 10 to 20 hours of dashcam footage, depending on the recording quality and number of cameras active. To prevent data loss, regularly back up your saved clips to a USB drive or consider Tesla's optional cloud storage plans for off-device backups. All storage is encrypted and securely linked to your vehicle's keys, ensuring that footage remains private and accessible only to authorized users. Tesla is integrating artificial intelligence to automatically detect incidents like collisions or vandalism, prompting quick save options for dashcam footage. This AI feature, enhanced by full self-driving updates, uses neural networks to identify potential incidents in real time. When an incident is detected, such as a collision, the system automatically prompts users to save relevant dashcam clips. For vandalism or other threats, the AI can trigger Sentry mode recording and suggest saving footage immediately. This reduces the need for manual saving, making the process faster and more reliable during stressful situations. Expect further improvements in event detection accuracy as Tesla continues to refine its AI systems. Real-world cases show how quickly saving Tesla dashcam footage can make a difference in resolving incidents. In 2024, a Tesla Model Y driver in California used Sentry mode footage to identify a hit-and-run driver. The footage clearly showed license plates and timestamps, leading to the perpetrator's arrest. In 2025, a Texas Tesla owner saved a 2-minute clip of a rear-end collision via the touchscreen in under 30 seconds. The footage displayed exact impact angles, expediting the insurance claim and avoiding disputes. These examples demonstrate the practical value of Tesla's dashcam system in real situations. Experts and users praise Tesla's dashcam system for its intuitiveness. Surveys from 2024-2025 rate it 4.5 out of 5 for ease of use. A 2025 Consumer Reports survey found that 70% of Tesla owners use the dashcam weekly, citing quick saving as a top benefit. Despite some frustrations with app connectivity in rural areas, satisfaction with Tesla's safety features remains high. Looking ahead to the future of Tesla dashcam technology, several exciting trends are emerging that will make saving footage even more seamless and powerful. First, enhanced autonomy features will enable predictive saving based on route data. For example, your Tesla may automatically save footage when driving on highways, anticipating potential incidents before they occur. Cloud-based storage solutions will continue to expand, offering infinite backups and easy access to your clips from anywhere. Tesla is partnering with advanced cloud services to make this a seamless part of the ecosystem. Dashcams are quickly becoming a standard feature in electric vehicles, with Tesla leading the way. This means more drivers will have access to advanced recording capabilities as EV adoption grows. Data privacy concerns are being addressed with opt-in features for footage anonymization. Tesla will offer settings to automatically blur faces or license plates, giving users control over their privacy while maintaining evidence value. By 2027, expect significant growth in EV dashcam adoption, with analysts predicting 40% growth driven by Tesla's innovations. This will make advanced dashcam features accessible to millions of drivers worldwide. These future developments will make Tesla dashcams even more powerful and user-friendly, enhancing safety and convenience for EV drivers everywhere.